Guys, welcome back to another timeless reading. So this reading is all about you. What is important at this stage in your life? Take care of you. Nourish that inner you. Take care of your true self, and remember that she also needs love and tenderness. Everything in your life is showing to renewal. So there is a lot happening in your life. Know that if things tend to show up a little bit slower than you think, things are happening. It's very important to not detach yourself from yourself. Pay attention to who you are.